Hare Krishna. Respected and dear most Srila Prabhupada, please accept my humble obeisances. All glories to you and all glories to Shri Shri Guru and Shri Gauranga. On the occasion of 125th Vyas Puja, it's my great privilege to reflect upon your causeless mercy which you have bestowed upon this fallen soul and at humanity at large. Last 2-year period has been the period of extreme disaster, confusion, so much fear and loss for the people in general. At such times, I could see that there has been academic losses, financial losses and relationship losses for many people. Our ISKCON has also suffered major setback in the terms of loss of physical association of so many great souls, which like your dear disciples. Many temples have faced financial losses and the lack of services and lack of resources. Many of the congregation devotees are not able to come to temple for the darshans. Yet we find the Krishna consciousness program which you have given is emerging always, and it is the only hope for the people in general at the times of despair. Via online preaching medium, we are even able to outreach much more. Like in our college preaching, we are able to connect to more youths during this pandemic time. So at least everyone is getting opportunity to hear about Krishna and hear the holy names of Lord Shri Krishna. So when you met your spiritual master, His Divine Grace Bhaktisiddhanta Swami Thakur Srila Prabhupada, he instructed you, Krishna consciousness is emergency. It cannot wait for anything. It is the most important dire need of soul. In this regards, I thought to compose, and I could see this in our current pandemic time. In this regards, I thought to compose one small poem as an offering to you on this Vyas Puja. The poem title is Krishna Consciousness, the Only Hope. For man drowning in sea, desperate is his plea. For him to survive, oxygen is hope. For every soul, Krishna consciousness is hope. For wish without water, flaps no matter. For it to survive, water is hope. For every soul, Krishna consciousness is hope. For wife without child, anticipating with glide. For her to breed husband's seed is hope. For every soul, Krishna consciousness is hope. For traveler in desert, unhappy even after eating deserts, to quench his thirst, cool water is hope. For every soul, Krishna consciousness is hope. When forest sets to fire, doesn't stop with fire brigade you hire. To extinguish heavy rain shower is hope. For every soul, Krishna consciousness is hope. For ship attacked by cyclone, tosses up and down by waves o'erthrown. To cross over expert captain is hope. For every soul, Krishna consciousness is hope. For living being in this world, suffering from miseries threefold, to be freed shelter of Guru is hope. For every soul, you are only hope. During last 2 years, I am happy to report that I got chance to render and assist you in various preaching services, like in the Wisdom Eye book distribution. This was a preaching initiative which we did during this COVID times when we are not able to physically go outside. But all team of devotees came together and we made an online program, and we could reach out to the multiple states, multiple schools and children, and at least we could connect 700 new people to Krishna consciousness by distributing your Srila Prabhupada books, and many of them are practicing now Krishna consciousness very nicely. In one of the Mega Youth Festival, that is Inspiro 2021, that this was a program arranged by IIYC, and I could get chance to assist His Grace Antadi Prabhu and the team of devotees. Apart from this, I am happy that I have been given so many services like preaching in GGD Voice and many other places. So we could shift around 8 to 10 boys during last year, and they are practicing Krishna consciousness very nicely. So reflecting upon the above services and many more, I can see how you have created so many opportunities for devotees to be happily engaged in serving and preaching. Every month comes up with new challenge and opportunity to serve. Moreover, it's your causeless mercy that so many great souls visit our temple, and I get chance to hear from them. Last 2 years, I got so many opportunities to hear from my spiritual master and many other pure devotees. Additionally, this Bhaktivedanta Raj Vidyalaya has been started. So much is given to me, Srila Prabhupada, with what words I can complain. Yet I find I am always ungrateful and not satisfied. I am subdued by the lower modes of passion and ignorance. I am not taking sadhana program very seriously. I have been blessed with association of so many examples of steady devotees like His Grace Radheshyam Prabhu and many more. And yet I am foolish that not to take their association seriously. Srila Prabhupada, I am also attacked by the demons of lust, hypocrisy and illusion. Please grant me strength to overcome these obstacles and the Hridaya Daurbalyam which is troubling my heart, which stops me from taking your instructions very seriously. I am very poor in sadhana. And Srila Prabhupada, I am not keeping good health due to my own foolishness and my past misdeeds. Please give me courage to continue enthusiastically despite all these obstacles. I am not sure how many more years I may live, but let me utilize this precious gift to always remain grateful to you. On this occasion of your Vyas Puja, I would like to recommit myself for following things: reading your Srila Prabhupada books every day without fail at least 20 to 30 minutes, doing yoga and exercise for better health, chanting 4 extra rounds every day, serving prasadam to the devotees before honoring prasad, darshan of the deities and singing Vaishnava song at least 15 minutes every day. Although above commitments are too less, these are my baby steps towards pleasing you. Thank you very much, remaining your always eternal servant, seeking your causeless mercy, your insignificant servant, Kadam Kanan Das. All glories to Srila Prabhupada. Jai Prabhupada.